Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It is a very special day today. I am so happy to be here with you.
Yes, it is very special, Paul. Do you know what day it is today?
Let me think. It is Wednesday, December 31, 2025. It is almost the end of the year.
Exactly. This is our last podcast episode of 2025. Can you believe it?
Wow. No, I cannot believe it. Time flies. 2025 was a very, very big year for us.
It really was. I feel a little emotional today. We started this year with a small dream, and now look at us.
I agree. We learned so much this year, and our listeners learned so much too. I see so many people speaking better English every week.
Yes, before we talk about our news, we want to say something very important to everyone listening.
Oh yes, a very big thank you to all of you.
Thank you for every like you gave our videos. Thank you for every time you clicked that subscribe button. It helps our channel grow so much.
And thank you for the comments. Emily, I love the comments. Every morning, I drink my coffee and read the comments from our students.
Me too, Paul. It is my favorite part of the day. Some people tell us about their families, some tell us about their jobs. It is like we are all friends.
Yes, we see people from many countries and many parts of the world. When you share our podcasts with your friends and family, it makes us so happy.
We want to thank you for your trust. We know that learning English is a journey. It is a long road.
That's right. And let's be honest, learning English is not always easy. Sometimes it is very hard.
Oh, I know. English has many difficult words and fast talking. It can be stressful.
Yes, like when I was tired talking about those numbers in the big report. Or when you were stressed about finding the perfect blue dress for the wedding.
Exactly. We show real life here because life is not perfect. We want to help you with real English for real situations.
That is our goal. We want to give you content that really helps. Not just grammar rules, but how to talk to a friend, how to save money, and how to feel confident.
We are so happy you are with us in this phase of learning. Thank you for staying with us even when the lessons are a little difficult.
You are all so brave. Speaking a new language takes a lot of courage. We see your growth, and we are very proud of you.
Yes, very proud. So, Paul, 2025 is almost over. What are we doing for 2026?
Oh, 2026. I am so excited. Next year will be a year of big challenges.
Yes, we have big projects for the Mr. English channel. We want to make the podcasts even better for you.
We are working on new ideas, new topics, new ways to help you listen, and maybe some surprises.
Ooh, surprises. I love surprises.
Me too. We want to take the best English content to everyone in the world. We want to improve our videos and our stories.
So everyone, please stay tuned. Stay with us next year because we have many new things coming very soon.
It is going to be a great year. We want to be your English partners for a long, long time.
I agree, Paul. I am ready for the challenge. Are you ready?
I am ready. I have my notebook and my pen. I am ready to plan a wonderful 2026.
That's the spirit. But Paul, before we say goodbye to 2025, let's remember what we talked about today.
That's a good idea. We talked about how 2025 was a year of a lot of learning for everyone.
Yes, and we said a very big thank you for all the likes, the shares, and the amazing comments.
We also talked about how learning English is a journey. It is not always easy, but we are here to help with real-life situations.
And we are so excited for next year. 2026 will have big projects and many surprises to help everyone speak English better.
Yes, it was a year of growth and friendship. I feel very lucky to be part of this channel.
Me too, Paul. Well, everyone, this is it for 2025.
Thank you again for your trust and your time. You are the reason we make these podcasts.
Please don't forget to leave one last comment for 2025. Tell us, what was your favorite thing you learned this year?
Or tell us your English goal for 2026. We love to read your plans.
Yes, share this episode with a friend who is starting their English journey too.
And we will see you very soon in the new year.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year. See you in 2026.
Bye-bye.
Bye.